Hey, Mr. and Mrs. McCool, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda. First and foremost, thank you guys so much for continuing to consider us here at Tameron for your next new Honda Accord. I know you've been driving that, I believe it's a 05, 06 for quite some time, and I pulled up in the right color for you this time. This is a modern steel metallic that I think your wife really wants, Donald. And this is the actual EXL package. The EX package we're gonna have on a truck coming in the next few days, which I know you said it's gonna be probably a couple of weeks anyway, so that's not a big deal. But the same standard equipment and look is gonna be this is exactly how this one looks. And you're gonna pick up in that EX package, you're gonna get your moonroof standard, you're gonna get your nice chrome alloy wheels there that are wrapped in those good all-weather tires. You're also going to have all those Honda sensing features we were discussing, which are those driver assist features, which are front-end collision mitigation and lane keeping assist systems and adaptive cruise control. All that will be standard along with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A much bigger Honda Accord than you're accustomed to as well. I mean, they added a lot of size over the years to this model in particular, and tons of legroom in the second row of seats, as well as rear-facing air conditioning vents. For when you guys are showing around your all those grandkids. But you know, it's a great product. I know you're taking your time with it, and I just want to be the one to be able to sell you that vehicle when the time comes. Donald, you or your wife can contact me anytime at 205-504-2358. That's my personal cell phone number. You can reach me there by phone or text, and I really appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. And when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.